Good day and welcome. The topic which we would be discussing today is about general healthcare assistants, their significance in the health sector, their characteristics of behavior, which is important in the hospital setting, and their many roles as a caregiver to millions of patients worldwide. Have you ever been to a hospital? Have you ever had an overnight stay in a hospital? If so, what did you call the person who cleaned your bed, gave you medicines on time, provided you food, and took great care of you? A nurse? Sister? Yes, these are your general healthcare assistants. General healthcare assistants are known by various names. They are called as healthcare assistants, nursing assistants, auxiliary or supplementary, that is, additional nurses. GHA is a term most often used abroad in foreign countries. In the USA, they are referred to as medical or clinical assistants, where they do a lot of work assisting nurses and doctors in a clinical setup. In India, we best refer to them as junior nurses who assist senior nurses. Now, these assistants are placed under a head nurse or a higher up healthcare manager, but their main concern is to take care of the patients with utmost care and sincerity. Few examples include assistants who work along nurses in hospitals, midwives in maternity services, in childbirth situations, in mental health institute as an aid to the patient, community or general practice service, especially during surgeries. So, what is the significance of these GHAs? Their importance. They are mainly important for 5 important reasons. Number 1, they spend most of their time with patients attending to all their needs. They are patient centric and take utmost care of the patient. They do their day-to-day tasks, which is quite many, like getting medicines, supplies, cleaning, etc. They form a close relationship first with the patient, which is very important, then the family members of the patients. They actually form a communication channel between the doctor and the patients. They are an assistance 24/7 for the patients. They learn the patient's individual needs and work on their concerns. They are made for the patients. So, a day in the life of a medical assistant is what we'll be seeing in this particular picture. So, here you can say that they update patient charts, take prescription refills, greet and escort patient to exam rooms, make appointments, order supplies. So, these are some of the jobs which a medical assistant does. So, what are the characters of an ideal GHA? A caring nature without which they can't take up this role. They can't be self-centered, should be more of a giving type than taking type. Only then they can care for their patients. Number 2, an approachable nature as they serve as a communication channel between patients, their family members and the hospital team. They should have an open mind. They should be open to new ideas and be flexible. They should not be biased, should be able to work with people from all ages, that is, from an infant, child, teenager, adults, senior citizens, to people from any background, be it rich, poor, from any place, etc. They should be sensitive to people's needs and concerns. They should also have a good commanding communication skill, a very tactful nature for tackling any kind of risky situation the patient encounters. So what are the duties or roles they play? So the duties include observing and monitoring the patients, taking everyday records of weight, pulse rate, blood pressure, sugar values, body temperature, helping patients to move around if they are immobile, making patients take a bath or a body sponge wash, pass urine and stool, etc., change patients' bedpans, bed linens, other belongings, communicate with the family and relatives of the patients, reassure them. They also assist the hospital doctor and head nurses with other clinical duties, if any. Listening and talking to the patients help patients improve their physical and mental health, taking care of personal hygienes of patient, infection control practices such as keeping the environment neat and clean, as the hospital environment beats infectious pathogens. Food quality assurance and provide patients with nutritious, healthy and balanced food from the hospital kitchen. Follow healthy diet plan for the patients, checking and ordering medicines from the pharmacist and other utilities required by the patient during his or her hospital stay. So to conclude, a general health assistant is a boon to the healthcare sector and to the patient. Their significance and role surpass many professionals in the world today. In today's COVID-19 scenario, they are found working for more than 10 to 12 hours in spite of being underpaid. Some of them have even contacted the deadly COVID-19 virus from their patients. Some have recovered or some have expired. We salute these corona warriors who work only in the best interest of the patients. Thank you and have a nice day.